Hola gente, what is good everybody? This is Ryan, the Bearded Baron, and I am back with another review. Today we're going to be looking into the world of Uncle Rickey's beard care. Let's go. Uncle Rickey's Beard Care was founded in 2022 with a mission to provide premium beard grooming products that cater to the specific needs of beard enthusiasts. Known for their high quality ingredients and commitment to excellence, Uncle Rickey's has quickly become a trusted name in the beard care industry. Their products are crafted to promote healthy beard growth, nourish facial hair, and ensure a well-groomed appearance. Hey everyone, it's Ryan, the Bearded Baron, and before we dive into today's review, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, The Naked Face. Their all-natural skincare products are perfect for maintaining a healthy, clean look. From their amazing face washes to their rejuvenating moisturizers, The Naked Face has everything you need to keep your skin in top shape. That's right, make sure you head over to thenakedface.store. That's thenakedface.store. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Before we continue, I want to introduce you to one of my sponsors, La Victoire. La Victoire is a brand that offers stunning apparel and accessories for both men and women. Whether you're looking for stylish clothing or elegant accessories, La Victoire has something for everyone. Their collection features high-quality materials and modern designs that can elevate any wardrobe. So make sure you check out their full range at La Victoire and find your next favorite piece. Alright, today we are exploring the Beard Kit from Uncle Rickey's Beard Care. This kit includes everything you need to keep your beard looking sharp and healthy. It contains a 2-ounce beard oil, a 2-ounce beard balm, and a 1-ounce beard growth, all crafted to nourish, condition, and style your beard. Let's get into it. Let's test out the beard growth serum. Just put a little bit of... Make sure you rub it into the skin really well. And now let's try the beard oil. What I like to do is make sure that that really gets into the beard. Last but not least, the beard balm. All you need is some on the back of your fingernail. Make sure you rub the balm in your beard until it is no longer visible. And now we pick our beard. So I had a conversation with my dermatologist and I was told no matter what race you are, gently picking your beard stimulates hair follicles and promotes blood circulation to the area. This can encourage healthier growth and improve the overall condition of your beard. Now it's time for the review. Alright, I gotta give Uncle Rickey's products 10 out of 10 stars. Let's get it. My name is Ryan, the Bearded Baron, and we'll see you on the next one.